RS Radio is the original manufacturer of FM transmitters, antennas, and digital audio equipment. Our products are suitable for various occasions and can meet your needs.
This is an RS Radio touchscreen FM transmitter. That's the front of the transmitter. And that is the back of the transmitter. Click here to start the machine. On the left side, you can see various values. And here, you can adjust the power. When the value gets smaller, the power will become lower. In the second option, you can set the frequency by entering numbers. The third icon is for audio settings. The larger the number is, the louder the sound will be. When you finish using it, just transfer on to off.
Our transmitters have advanced tech, high performance, reliability, and reasonable prices. We serve thousands of radio stations worldwide. Choose RS Radio, embark on an outstanding broadcasting experience. Let the sound reach every corner.